Hi, what's your name? Hi, my name is Ronnie. Where are you from? I'm from Nepal. Where do you live? I live in Kathmandu. What is your job? I'm a student. Where do you go for studies? I go for studies to the university. What time do you go to university? I go to university at 9 a.m. How do you get to university? I usually take the bus. What time did your class start today? My class started at 10 a.m. What is your major subject? My major subject is science. What did you do after school yesterday? I did my homework and then played. What time do you get up? I usually get up at 5 a.m. How do you greet people in the morning? I say, good morning. What is your dream job? My dream job is being a teacher. What is your hobby? I'm interested in playing chess. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new place. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play to the guitar. What's your dream vacation? I'd love to visit America. How was your weekend? It was relaxing. How do you relax? I watch TV or read old story. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is milk. How do you stay healthy? I eat fruits and regularly exercise. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. What time is it your country? It's 5 o'clock. What day is it today? It's Friday. Are you married? No, I am not married. Who do you live with? I live with my parents. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English very well. How did you learn English? I took an intensive course. How many languages do you speak? I can speak 3 languages. How long have been you learning English? I have been learning English since I was 3 years. Why are you learning English? To communicate with friends. How do you communicate with friends? I use my phone to text. How many apps do you have on your phone? I have many apps on my phone. Who is the kindest person you know? My mother is kindest. Do you believe in luck? Yes, I believe luck plays important. Did you visit a museum this month? Yes, I went to the city museum. What's your favorite movies genre? I like horror movies. What is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Udit Narayan. Did you enjoy the concert? Yes, it was amazing. Where did you travel during your last vacation? I went to the beach with my family. Where were you last Sunday? I was at the friend's birthday party. What does your father do? My father is a teacher. What does your mother do? My mother is a housewife. When is your birthday? My birthday is 1st January 2001. What time do you breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 am. What did you have for lunch yesterday? I had a bread and fruit. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking.